भलायकी केंद्रां रोग आडयता आनी FDA टीम रोगाचें मूळ नश्ट करता अशें म्हटल्यार अतिताय जावची ना. FDA टिमीन आज हडपड्यांक धाड घालून 300 किल चिकनाचो सोक्समोक्स लायलो. त्याच बरोबरीन ट्युरिस्टांची पोटां इबाडपाची बुरशी आयिल्ले सिलपॅक खाण कशे तरेन खपयतात ते समप्रमाण दाखयले. सध्या गोंयांत 2 विभाग एक्टीव आशिल्ले दिश्टी पडटात. एक भलायकी विभाग जो मंत्री स्वता अचकीत वचोन इन्स्पेक्शन करता आनी हॉस्पिटलांतले नेम मोडपी, पेशंटांक शापोता सांगपी, कामात हलगर्जीपणा करपी नर्सी दोतोरांक सस्पेंड करता. दुसरो विभाग एक्टिवली काम करता तो FDA टिमीचे मोहिमेक नेट आयला. दर्यादेग वेळाचेर सध्या टीम एक्टीव आसात. आयकात ऑफिसरांनी दिल्ली म्हायती आनी केल्लें अपील.
We have found some documents here, a lot of these bills by which he was supplying to the hotel. So we have also seized those. Through that, we have also got the details which were the outlets buying this chicken. So our next stop will be to also get in touch with these restaurants which are buying such items from an unverified source. So it is also the responsibility of the restaurants or any eateries. If they are buying the raw materials, they should also have some check that they are buying from a licensed vendor. It is a responsibility. It is well mentioned in the law, and they should be taking this seriously. So we will also be investigating in those lines and check all the hotels which have bought the chicken from this particular vendor through the bill books that we have got, and we will be issuing notices to these vendors itself. Chicken is not only gone in Bardez but has gone to other areas as well. FDA team today has carried out a special surveillance drive here in Arpora area. We had received this information that chicken was being supplied in a large quantity from this one shed here at the waste segregation area, and this chicken is being supplied to a lot of these food outlets, restaurants. So we've been following up on this, and then today we narrowed down and we found this actual place. This place doesn't have any license, and the conditions here were very unhygienic and poor. In the interest of public health, we have destroyed this chicken, which is around about 300 kgs. And we have also issued strict instruction and notice to the vendor. We have asked them to stop the business and to discontinue any of these such operations. Okay. In addition to this chicken things, we had also been working on this product of sweets. And I have my colleague Mr. Rajaram Patil who will give you more information on this.
Sweet of the boy, he is supplied to all this coastal belt. And coastal belt दितात आणि हे टुरिस्टांक दिताले. आणि हातूंतल्यान आमकां 2-3 अशी कंप्लेंट जाली की देर ऑल विथ फंगल ग्रोथ एंड ऑल, आनी लोकांक मिसगायड करपाक तेची परिस्थिती आशिल्ली. सो आज आमी एक टोटल ड्रायव घेतलो आनी कलंगूट जितले पळय हे ड्राय फ्रुट्साचे शॉप्स आसात त्यांचेर आमी रेड मारला आनी तातूंतल्यान आमकां कळून चुकलें की कोण तरी एका डिस्ट्रिब्युटर जाता, मेन मॅन्युफॅक्चरर इज बेस्ड इन बोरीम पोंडा. सो आमी तो सगळो जो माल आसा तो सीज केल्लो आसा. दे आर गोइंग टू इन्स्पेक्ट दीस मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग युनिट आनी ताजे प्रत्येक जो प्रोडक्ट आसा विच इज ताका डेट घातली 10 तारीख. आयज फक्त 7 दीस जाले, बेस्ट बिफोर दिल्ले आसा 60 डेज. पण ताका जो वास येता पळय ताका तो कुसलेला सारको ताका वास मारता. सो रॉ मटेरियल वॉट इज युजींग ऑयल खंयची तो यूज करता हाजे वेरेबॉट्स करपा खातीर आमी फर्दर इन्वेस्टमेंट केल्ले आसा. जे सॅम्पल्स काडिल्ले आसात, सॅम्पल्स लॅबाक धाडटली. ताजो रिपोर्टाक आमी रावतले. ताचे पयलीं आमी ताजो जो पळय मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग प्लेस आसा ताजें थोरो इन्स्पेक्शन करतले की एक 7 दिसाचो प्रोडक्ट हाका जो वास येता पळय न्ही इज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड. आनी सो त्या खातीर आमी एक ड्रायव सुरू केल्लो आसा आनी जी कोण हे विकता पळय तेजे आमी परत कंटिन्यू इन अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कोस्टल बेल्ट वील कंटिन्यू विथ दीस.
सप्लायज जे जाता न्हू तुमच्या माध्यमान एक अवेरनसूय जावचो आनी कोणी अशे वेंडर्स आसा जाल्यार ताणें अशें बंद करचें आनी they should approach the FDA immediately, regularize their trade, put everything in place and supply, not to put our risk of the public in such a public health in danger. So we would appeal to such vendors not to engage, because you have already seen the visuals of these conditions. Even if you are close to what this is happening, all the food business operators, please stop sale, especially these meat items which are high risk items. So this is one appeal that we would like to make.
Yes.